2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those vegan guys. I thank you.
Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are
Those Vegan Guys.
We're doing not really a recipe video tonight. What would you call it, Jason?
I don't know.
Meal planning
Meal planning?
video. Yeah. I'll tell you what's triggered this actually. A couple of weeks ago, Jason did cheese on toast for our supper. Cheese on toast for our supper. And somebody on one of our social networks said, do you have a recipe for this? And we at first thought, that's a strange question, but then of course, you know, people get ideas from each other all the time, don't they? So tonight what we're going to do is we're going to beautifully build a butter bowl by Barbara.
Beautiful Butter Bowl by Barbara.
But it's not by Barbara, it's by us two. And just have a quick chat about how this meal came about. Basically, if you saw our the ultimate vegan sausage roll taste test video, which I'll link up there, if you saw that, you'll have seen the trip that we did to Aldi before,
yep.
And we got these hummuses. Well, we've nailed most of them, but there's one tub of Moroccan hummus left. So I was like, right, how can I utilise that? And usually we have like a Greek bowl with wraps. So that's what we're going to do tonight. I'm going to show you all the different elements that we put into our butter bowl. Let's get on with it.
And as I said before, when we were chatting, the butter bowl is very similar to the bibimbap that we had the other night, in that pretty much any time you put something together in a bowl, it's going to be, or potentially can be, fantastic, unique and beautifully tasty.
Yeah. And as I got pulled up, because I called one that I've made a buddy bowl. I said it's not classically a butter bowl really, and one of our friends on Facebook was like, why isn't it? It's stuff in a bowl, it's a butter bowl. So yeah, beautifully building butter bowls by Barbara. Got my falafels in the oven. Let's show you the rest. So for this bowl tonight, we bought a box of cauldron. Were they cauldron?
Cauldron?
Yeah.
Cauldron.
Cauldron falafels. And what I've done is, because we're having them on wraps, I've cut them in half. They're in the oven as we speak. I'm throwing together a little salad. So far, mixed leaves, spinach, celery, 3 spring onions. I'm going to put 2 small red onions in there and some cherry tomatoes, olives and a little bit of crumbled cheese, but I'm trying to keep it small because we've got to fill the bowl up. And we've got black beans and sweet corn mixed together, which are now done and ready to go in the bowl. So we shall be back with you shortly as we build a beautiful butter bowl. So this is the Aldi Moroccan hummus 75p recyclable container. I'm going to use a good big blob of it, probably over half the tub actually, because I know we'll get through quite a bit of it this evening with our dinner. And then I'm going to go salad next. I'm going to put the salad right next to the hummus. Try and pile it up. There we go. That's better than that. And any of you that are thinking, oh, this is way too many dishes, will you please treat yourself better? You deserve nice things, and nice things sometimes take quite a few dishes to put together. You know, treat yourself nice.
Yeah.
Treat yourself special.
Self-care and all that.
Treat yourself like you treat a day. If you go to the effort for a day, you should go to the effort for yourself.
True that.
I'm saying that, me.
I'm going to track each element as it's added.
Now I've got the halves of falafel, which I'm going to put on the other side of the salad because they're a dry you know, element. Last few of them. Okay. Then I'm going to put our black beans. We have to do this way, I'm afraid. Our black beans and sweet corn. And I'm just going to go in with all of that, actually, because black beans very high in protein, really, really good for you, very, very healthy. And then the final part, I'll just pick these 2 beans up off the floor. The final part is, what I did today was I grated 2 raw beetroots, and I've mixed the raw grated beetroot with some Hellmann's vegan mayo, a bit of Dijon mustard from Sainsbury's, and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to make like a beetroot slaw. Because I just thought it'd be a really gorgeous addition to this beautiful butter bowl.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. So you just saw me build my wrap. Bit disappointed with these wraps, it has to be said. We normally get the Tesco's own brand ones, which are really good. They've got loads of different flavours, haven't they? And they're all marked vegan, and they're a little bit bigger. Than these. So I'm not even sure. Go on, you anyway. You get building your wrap.
Okay. Are you going to talk about?
Yeah, because I want to know. I'd love to know what people's favourite. If you do butter bowls, what's your favourite kind? Does it have a Mediterranean twist? Is it all based on kind of raw veggies? Do you do cooked elements? So is it warm and cold? Do you serve it in a big bowl and eat together, like we did with our bibimbap last night?
Oh yeah.
Or do you have it on wraps, like we do? How do you eat your butter bowls? I think they're a fun. Like you mentioned earlier, they're like bibimbap in that they're so adaptable.
Yeah, and what are people's combos like? You know, what are your go-tos for a butter bowl? Because you've been
That's
great.
exactly what I've just said.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was concentrating on this. I apologise.
I said, tell us all about your butter bowls. There's a whole like 3 minute of me talking about. Tell us what you do. Do you do hot? Do you do cold? Do you serve it on wraps? He switches off.
Monkey brain.
I can say a full sentence to him and he'll hear 2 words of it and answer them 2 words, and it's completely irrelevant to what I was talking about.
Whale music.
Schmonkey
brain, yeah. Yeah, so I'm nearly there now with this.
I can't even roll this. Oh, hang on. If I do that.
I'm trying to be careful not to put too much
I've managed to roll it, but not as good as my normal ones would be. But I'm going in.
Is it nice? These wraps.
Yeah, it's beautiful. That beetroot slaw is a revelation. See, I've had this idea in my head for about a week about the beetroots. We bought some. Where did we buy them beetroots from? There might have been Sainsbury's, and I was dead chuffed because there were no packaging. There were just like 5 beetroots held together with a elastic band. I was like, I can use the elastic band. So they've been in the fridge for a good few days, and I really wanted to use them. And I kept thinking, shall I cut them up? Shall I roast them? Because I love roasted beetroot as well. And then again, keep watching people, you know, talking about how the nearer to raw, the better the nutrition. So I just thought today, if I just peeled to and grated, I can make a coleslaw out of that, can't I? And it's actually gorgeous.
It really is.
It's really, really, really nice. So it's a good way of getting raw beetroot in you. You know, mix it with a bit of mayo, a bit of mustard, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
I'm going to carry on demolishing this, it's beautiful.
I think we both need to continue demolishing it, so we shall bid you farewell. We'll tell thee good night. And but would you please do tell us down there about your own butter balls, and have a look down there anyway, because there's loads of info about our social media platforms, our Patreon page, our affiliate links from Amazon, products we love that we, you know, want to share with you and might make a couple of pennies from, and lots of stuff like that. And there's loads of stuff on our channel, isn't there?
Loads of stuff to check out, and as always, thank you just for checking us out if you're first time discovering those vegan guys. Oh yeah, that as well.
Yeah, he's got a new video up of his song, the one he played on the live video and no one could hear it proper. So that's great, so please check that out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, have we said I love you?
No.
Oh, we love you.
Of course we love you.
Love you, mister.
Love you.
Please be excellent to yourself, and after that, if you've the time, make the time to be excellent to each other. Bye, Karen. Have food to eat. Lovely.